Hi guys, this is Reagan Chamberlain from Ray's Bakes, and today I'm going to make banana bread. What's funny is I actually don't like banana bread or bananas. I'm just making this for my dad and my brothers. So let's get to it. First we're going to add 1 stick or a half cup of butter. And 1 cup of sugar. And we're going to mix that. Until it looks like this. Then you want to add 2 eggs beaten, and 4 bananas mashed. And then we're going to mix that. And now we are going to sift 1½ cups of flour, a ½ teaspoon of salt. So you're just gonna put it over there. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. The trick to sifting dry ingredients is you want to have a spoon and just spin it all around like that. Or hit it. Warning, this will make a mess. Until it looks like that. So it's now all sifted. And then we put it into our wet ingredients and beat it very slow. And now we're going to just scrape down the bowl with a spatula. Until it looks like this. So now I'm just going to put it in a loaf. Now I'm just going to put it in a loaf pan. You need to grease your pans before you bake these or else it will stick. And also you can also bake these in muffin tins. Okay, I'm almost done. That is the oven, which you should have it at 350 degrees or Fahrenheit. Get all the batter in there.
And give the extra batter to Dad.
No. And now we are going to put it in the oven. For 55 minutes. Now we will wait. Timer is beeping. Let's see if our banana bread's ready. So I'm going to stick a knife in it. It should look like this. You can also use a toothpick. And you want a crisp brown, like that. I'm going to bring it to the table. Close the oven. Turn the timer off, and that's how you make banana bread.